Namaste, children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Yes, good, very good. Now we came to the chapter. Now we came to the ending of our chapter. No. Yes, very good, children. Super. Shall we recap the previous topics all? Yes, we saw the main parts of our body. We saw our main parts of our body. Eyebrow, eye, nose, mouth, chin, chest, arm, hand, leg, toe, forehead, ear, cheek, tooth, lip, tongue, stomach, knee, foot. Super. This is all our main parts of our body. Super. Next topic is we saw the strong joints of our body. No, totally how many joints we have? 6 joints: shoulder, knuckle, knee, ankle, elbow, wrist. Shoulder, shoulder. Everybody should be strong with the spellings also. Okay ma? Good. Shoulder, shoulder. Shoulder. Knuckle, knuckle. Knuckle, knuckle. Knee, knee. Ankle, ankle. Elbow, elbow. Wrist, wrist. Super. Now these are our 6 joints of our body. Super. Everybody should be strong with the spellings also. Write neatly. Has everybody completed? No. Yes, we'll be having a homework track also. We will check in that. Okay, children? Okay. These are the strong joints of our body: shoulder, knuckle, knee, ankle, elbow, wrist. Super. Next one, we saw about the 5 sense organs. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Super. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay. See, eye, sight. Eye, sight. Nose, smell. Nose to smell. Ears to hearing. That is ears to hear. Ears to hear. Tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. Next, skin to touch. That is to feel. Skin, touch or feel. Okay. Good. Now see here the sense organs we have recollected now. Yes, the sense organs: eye, ear, tongue, nose and skin. Super. Very good, Kana. Next, see finally the last exercise. See the last exercise, page number 13. Yes. Now see this. Circle the words that do not match with the sense organs. See, you know what are the sense organs? No? Yes. Circle the words that do not match with the sense organs. We should circle that do not match with the sense organs. Now see this. What is sense organ? First one, eye. What is this? Eye. Super. Now what the options they have given you? Photo, photo. Photo, music, music, stars, stars, moon, moon, sun. Totally how many options they have given you? They have given you 5 options. Okay, Kanna? Yes, super. This sense organ is eye. With the help of the eye, can you able to take a photo? Yes, super. With the help of the phone, we can take a photo. Yes. Can you able to music with the help of the eye? No. Good. Very good. Next one is with the help of the eye, we can see the stars. We can see the moon. We can see the sun. Can you able to see the music with the help of the eye? No. So, this is the odd one. So, we have to circle it. We have to circle this music. Okay. We have to circle this music. Okay, Kana? In this one, This is the odd one here. Like this, we have to see in each and everything, and you have to do it. I know you're all very clever and very good. You know to do it. Yes or no, children? Yes, you all know you are very clever and smart. You will do it. Without without the help of your parents also, you will do it. No? Yes. Now see the second one. What is the sense organ? Ear. What is the sense organ? Ear. Here they have given you 5 options. First one is orange. 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 Second one, moo. Moo. Moo of a cow. Moo of a cow. See the sound of a cow. Okay. Next, voice. 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 Next, meow. Meow. Meow of a cat. The sound of a cat. Next is music. Music. The same thing here comes here. Music. Now see here, with the help of this ear, we can hear the sound of a cow, and we can hear the voice of others, sound of a cat, and here we can hear the music also. Here, which is the odd one? Will the orange make noise? No. Good, super. With the help of the ear, we can hear the sound of a orange. Now here, which is the odd one here? Orange. Super. Then here we have to circle it. This is the odd one out. Super. Next, third one is this. What is this? Nose. What is this? Nose. Okay. With the help of this nose, what we can do? What is this? First one, perfume. 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 When we spray a perfume, can you able to smell it? Yes, we can smell it with the help of our nose. Good. Next one, cooking gas. Cooking. Cooking. Gas. Gas. Cooking gas. If in the kitchen, if the gas is leaking or if it is opened, can you able to smell it? Yes, very good. See, you should be very cautious when you're going inside the kitchen and all. Don't go without the parents' knowledge, or don't go without the parents' guidance. Don't go inside. Okay, Kana? You have to be very careful. Cooking gas and all, it's very dangerous. As you're all very smart kids, small kids, don't go inside without the parents. Okay? Okay, if you want anything, ask your parents. They will help you. Okay? Next one is garbage dump. Garbage. Garbage dump. What is this garbage dump means? It's a dustbin. There is more number of waste. If there is more waste, that is called as garbage dump. When you're dumping inside that big dustbin, that is garbage dump. It is dumped in one place. One place is more number of vast number of garbage is dumped there. Waste is dumped there. That is called as garbage dump. If you go near that, what will happen to you? Bad smell will be coming. No, that is all our waste only. But we are feeling very bad to smell that. Yes, it will be very smell. It will be very bad to smell that. Okay. Next one is petrol. 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 When our parents are filling the petrol tank, we can smell it. No, when go near the petrol bunk. Yes, we can smell the petrol smell. Yes. Next one is voice. 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 Can you able to smell the voice? Whether voice is having any smell? No. Very good. In this, which is the odd one out? Good. Perfume, we can smell it. Cooking gas, we can smell. Garbage dump also will be getting a bad smell. Petrol smell. Okay. Now here, which is the odd one? Here, voice. Voice is the odd one out. Okay, children. Here we can't smell the voice. Okay. Here we have to circle it, the voice. Okay. Next, fourth one is the tongue. What is this? Tongue. First one is sweet. 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 With the help of the tongue, we can taste the sweet. Yes. Next, clouds. 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 The help of the tongue, can we able to taste the clouds? No. Okay, we can wait. Next is salty. Salty. If the chips is salty, we can taste it. No. Yes. If we taste, we know whether that is salty or tasty. Next is sour. 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 See, when you bite a lemon, how it will be? Sour. Yes. Next, bitter. That is bitter gourd will be very bitter. The taste will be very bitter. Next, bitter. See, in this, which is the odd one out here? Super Kana. Very good. This is clouds. CLOUDS. Okay, here we have to circle the clouds. Very good. Super. Fantastic. Give a high five to each other with your parents. Good. Next. See this. What is this? Hand. In this, we will be having the skin. See, hand is the skin. Okay. Skin. First one option is cold. 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 Second option is ROUGH. 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 Next, SMOOTH. 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 Next, meow of a cat. MAOW. Meow of a cat. Next, HOT. Hot. See, with the help of the skin, can we able to touch a cold thing? Yes, we can feel it, that is cold or hot. When we touch a sandpaper, we can feel that is rough. When we touch a paper or a teddy bear toy, we'll feel that it is very smooth. Okay. Can you able to touch the meow of a cat, the sound of a cat? No, we can't touch the sound of a cat. When we see the water bottle is hot, yes, we can feel that is hot. Okay. Now, in this, which is the odd one out? Meow of a cat. Super. Meow of a cat is the odd one out. Super. Now, by this, see for everything in this first one, which is the odd one out? Music. Second one, which is the odd one out? Orange. Circle it. Third one, voice. Fourth, clouds. Fifth one is meow of a cat. Super Kana. So, we have given you the answer also. See, like this you have to circle it. Okay, children, I'll give you little time. You can circle it. See properly and circle correctly. Okay, don't circle the next thing also. Circle only the given option alone. Only the single option you have to circle. Okay, ma? Good, very good. How many of them have completed? Is after completed, you can raise your hand. Yes, super, very good Kana. Super, super. Very good children. Very nice. I know you're all very, very clever, very good. Super. You all follow the habits, no? You all follow that habit number 5. That seek first to understand, then to be understood. Yes. Everybody should listen what the others are saying. If you listen only, you can properly understand what I'm teaching, what we are talking also. Okay, ma? Yes, very good. Yes, this see here, habit number 6 is also included. Synergize. Say how you and your parents are together. You're working. No. Yes, you, yourself, and myself, and your parents. We three work together, and we are going to get the answer. Yes, here also the result is very good. Super. Yes, yes. Everybody should be correct in writing. Okay. Yes, circle. Have you all completed? Yes. Okay. We can. Now we are going to recap the topics. What and all we have recapped. What and all I taught you. We are going to recap now. Okay. First, what is the recap? First, we went to the introduction about ourselves. So, introduction about myself. We gave introduction. What is your name? How old are you? Which school are you studying? Like that, we have given you many introduction. Then where to write the address, how to write the address, for what we are writing the address. For that and all, we have seen this introduction about myself. Good, very good. Second one is the parts of our body. Main parts of our body we saw, no? This eyebrow, eye, nose, like that we have seen many parts of our body. Super. Next, strong joints of our body. We had 6 joints in our body, no? That 6 joints we saw in the last class and all. 6 joints of our body. Like that, knees, ankle, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Okay, these are the 6 joints. The 6 joints we saw the previous class and all we saw, no? Yes, good, very good children. Super. Next about the sense organs. We saw the 5 sense organs. That is 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Then we saw about the functions also. Yes or no? We saw the functions of sense organs. The functions of sense organs. What are the functions of eyes? Eyes to see. Then ears to hear. Tongue to taste. Nose to smell. Then skin to feel. Super. Very good, Chana. See here, next we have many activities. See, from activity 1.1 to 1.13 we have 13 activities. Okay. Okay, children. Yes, in the first activity we have to paste your photo. Only one photo you have to paste there. Paste your photo. That is recent photo. And then activity number 1.2, you have to write your address. You have to write your address. The school address already we have completed. You have to write your house address. Yes, in activity 1.3, you have to draw the heart. Your favorite activity, like what you like drawing and coloring, listening to stories, singing, dancing. That is, you have to draw the heart symbol. Next, in activity 1.4, draw about the grown-ups. You have to draw what you want to become after when you growing up. That picture you have to draw there. In activity 1.5, label the joints. Label the joints of our body. We have to label and write. That is, labeling means you have to write it. Okay. Next activity 1.6, you have to observe and write. See, observe the chimpanzee and humans. You have to observe and write the answer. Already we have shown you. You have to write. Next activity in 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9 and 1.10. Sorry. 1.10, we have to fill up the options they have given you at the top. By seeing that, I too have taught you. By seeing that, you have to write everything. You have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Next in 1.11, you have to fill the sense organs and its functions. What sense organ it is and what function does it does. Okay. Okay, fine. Then next in 1.12, you have to observe and write. Which sense organ is, they have given you some picture, which sense organ is apt for that. You have to write it. Then at finally 1.13, you have to circle the odd one. Which sense organ is odd one, you have to circle it. Okay, children? Yes. That's what our lesson, first lesson, that is lesson number 1 about me, is fully closed. We have taught fully. I taught you the full chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask. You can ask me and you can give in the comments. You can make a call to the school and you can give the comments. Okay, Channa? Okay, Kanna? Okay, ma. Thank you so much. Everybody should write everything. Everybody should be present. Everybody should be in good full attendance. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma.